In this video, I'll be showing how to check the elevation parameters if they've been assigned in the sales model. So what you want to do is open up the sales model. So basically, elevation parameters are required for you to do the takeoff process. So the way to assign that is basically if you have a wall like this, click on it, and this is a strip wall. Then you assign the designated elevation parameter for that. In this case, it's a WW parameter. And then what you want to double check is to make sure that your units also have that same elevation parameter. So I'm going to come down here and look for elevation under data, and right there it says WW. So you want to do that to all your units. Make sure that they all have that elevation parameter assigned, as well as to all your walls. That way their takeoff process will go as smoothly as possible. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.